Good morning, YouTube and Facebook. Here we are again in another room. This is another carpet that does not focus very well. So this room, we are lifting the carpet to fix the squeaking floor. And in the room and in the entrance hallway. So we'll get to that and show you how it's done as we go along. Okay, so here we are. The floor, the carpet and the underlay have been lifted, and you can see the entire room. And that we have installed screws between each of the nails all the way across, and of course that's every 16 inches along the floor. So it does get rid of the squeaks probably about 98% of the time. I can't get rid of 100% of the squeaks no matter how hard I try sometimes, although we do have other jobs that 100% of the time all the squeaks are removed. So now in this room I am just going to do the hallway. You can see how I folded the carpet up into the hallway. So now it's just a matter of lifting the carpet and the underlay in the hallway and getting that done. So that'll be the next step. Okay, so here I lifted the carpet in the hallway, lifted the underlay, and you can see we've done the same thing, putting screws in every joist along the hallway. Now all that's left is reinstall this hallway underlay and reinstall the carpet. You'll see that next. Okay, so this bedroom is finished. The hallway's reinstalled, the closet's reinstalled, and the rest of the room is reinstalled. So we got one more room to do. I did do a small room when I first got here, which I didn't film because I didn't think it would show very well, but one more room left. Okay, so here we have the third bedroom, a little bit larger than the other two, and we will be lifting this carpet and screwing down the floor to the joists and then reinstalling the carpet and the underlay. And we'll show you more as we go along. Okay, here we are at the end of this job. It's been de-squeaked. All the screws are in, all the underlays back installed, and I've stretched the carpet. So if I get it to zoom in here, you can see there's about an inch and a half of carpet that's been stretched up the wall. So it's just a matter of trimming that now, and this job is complete. Thank you very much for looking. I greatly appreciate it. Oh, while I'm at it here, once this camera focuses, this here with these tubes are the correct tool for stretching carpets. This tool here, the power or the knee kicker, is designed solely to be an assist tool to the power stretcher. Just wanted to make that clear to someone that doesn't know. Thank you for looking. Bye for now.